Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng love reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. Okay? This is a daily reading for love for Pisces, and gamitin natin itong tarot cards para malaman natin kung ano yung mga magiging mensahe, gabay, advice ng tarot cards for Pisces sa ngalan ng pag-ibig, okay? And mga posibilidad, mga possibilities na mangyari for Pisces gamit ang ating tarot cards, okay? Reminder lang Pisces na ito ay general reading, so pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo, pwede pong hindi, okay? So, ang reading na to para sa love ay welcome po ang lahat ng estado, single, in a relationship, it's complicated, or hiwalay, okay? So, take nyo lang po kung saan mag-resonate as long as lumabas yung sitwasyon nyo dito and nag-resonate po, again, take nyo lang. Pag hindi, huwag pong ipilit, okay? And this is a timeless reading, Pisces, dahil daily reading ito, so kahit anong araw, buwan o taon mo to napanood, as long as mag-resonate sa sitwasyon nyo po, take nyo lang, okay? And ang ating channel, always ko pong sinasabi na lahat ng gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT man yung nanonood, or yung mga taong dinidil nyo po, take nyo lang kung mag-resonate po, okay? So, ano po ang magiging mensahe, gabay for Pisces, sa ngalan ng pag-ibig, okay? Okay, so, ano po ang message nyo po for Pisces, for love reading. So, gusto siyang mag-flip pero hindi natutuloy, okay? So, kunin natin to. The High Priestess, Wheel of Fortune, and the World. Wow, tatlong major arcana, Pisces. So, sobrang laki ng impact ito sa buhay mo. This is a big factor of your life, especially in love, okay? So, malaki to siyang parang factor sa buhay mo, Pisces. Okay? Malaki yung connection nito sa takbo ng buhay mo. Okay? And the High Priestess, Wheel of Fortune, and the World. These three cards right here is tatlong major arcana. The word major. Okay? Malakihan. Okay? So, these three cards right here is kailangan mong makinig sa intuition mo. You have to listen in your gut feeling, okay? Kasi mostly sa mga water sign, especially Pisces, is malakas yung kutob, okay? So, you have to use this kind of ability Pisces para malaman mo or makapag-decide ka sa kung ano man yung nararapat mong gawin, okay? Kasunod ang the Wheel of Fortune, kung ano man yung naiisip mo, kung ano man yung magiging decision mo because of this, the High Priestess card, everything will follow, okay? So, kung ano man decision mo, yun yung consequences na matatanggap mo, of course. And the world, don't always, parang wag mong kalimutan, Pisces, na you are always protected, okay? You are always guided, okay? So, kung hindi mo man alam kung ano yung gagawin mo, kung hindi mo man alam kung ano yung magiging tamang desisyon sa buhay mo, lalo na sa taong dinidil mo ngayon, lalo na sa taong minamahal mo, or sa mamahalin mo, okay? As long as you have to listen to your intuition, or you have to ask God some signs, prayers, number one, prayers, okay? You have to ask God, talk to Him, kung ano ba yung mga nararapat, kaya, kumbaga, you have to ask Him, and at the same time, you have to surrender. You have to let God handle the situation, okay? Kasi siya yung nakakaalam, okay? And sa tatlong cards na nandito, sobrang ganda, okay? Walang halong negative kahit katiting, okay? So, sobrang ganda yung tatlong cards dito, sobrang laki ng impact sa buhay mo. And si Nine of Swords, this card right here is medyo medyo malungkot kasi parang konektado siya dito eh. Kaya merong advices dito ang cards natin. etong major arcana natin, because you have a something na parang anxiety or something na parang overthinking situation na madalas mong nararanasan, Pisces. Okay? Kaya nasabi yung tatlong cards na nandito na you have to trust the intuition. Okay? And you are protected. You can ask God. You can give everything to Him. Okay? Let Him handle the situation. And don't be stressed, okay? Wag mong kontrolin yung bagay na hindi mo makokontrol. Again, sa sinasabi ko na let God, okay? Kasi siya yung nakakaalam, siya lang, okay? Siya talaga, okay? So, there's no reason behind it. Siya yung mag-handle sa pag-ibig mo. It's either na sa isang relasyon ka man ngayon, okay? Masaya man yan, okay? Or it's complicated, or you're single right now. Okay? And kung ganito man yung estado sa mindset mo, wag mo hayaang ganito, okay? Kasi again, pag kung ano yung decision mo, yun yung consequences na matatanggap mo, okay? So you can ask God, ask your angel, ask the universe kung ano yung nararapat gawin. Kung hindi mo man alam or hindi ka sigurado kung ano yung magiging decision mo sa kung ano man yung estado sa pag-ibig mo, Pisces, okay? So may nag-flip dito, Ten of Wands, Justice, Page of Pentacles, the Sun, the Magician, and Two of Swords. Okay. So, yes, nakikita nyo 9 and 10. Okay. After these two cards right here na maraming wands, na maraming swords, na maraming, alam mo yun, yung parang stressful silang dalawa, okay? Stressful silang dalawa sa kung ano man yung estado sa relasyon niyo, okay? Or sa kung ano man yung napagdaanan mo sa buhay pag-ibig, Pisces, okay? Pero again, you have to surrender everything to God kasi siya yung nakakaalam. Again, anong na mga nakaraang araw, sinabi ko na pag sayo talaga, okay? So, kung ano man yung estado ng buhay pag-ibig mo kasama tong taong minamahal mo, kasi meron tayo ditong Page of Pentacles, let God, okay? Kasi siya yung nakakaalam. So, wag mo hayaang maging si 9 of Pentacles and si 9 of Swords and si 10 of Wands, okay? Nabibigatan, nahihirapan, stressful, overthinking, kung ano man yung iniisip mo sa bahay, sa panahon na ikaw lang mag-isa, especially sa madaling araw, before matulog, okay? Naiiyak ka, stressful ka, nagkakaroon nito ng impact sa trabaho mo, okay? Nadadama yung trabaho mo, Pisces. So, kung ano man yung ganitong sitwasyon, again, you don't have to alam mo yun, to stress, to overthink, okay? Para gumaan yung loob mo, ibigay mo sa ating Panginoon, sa universe, sa angel mo, para sila yung mag-handle, and itong taong to, pag para sa'yo talaga, okay? And don't worry, kasi you are protected, everything will turn into a better situation, the justice card, okay? Kitang-kita nyo ang pag-handle niya dito is pantay, genuine, fair, and square. Okay? So, kung ano man yung makakabuti para sa'yo, yun yung mangyayari. Okay? And there is a big possibility of an offer galing sa ating Page of Pentacles. Okay? It's either ikaw to or someone na minamahal mo ngayon. Okay? It's either this is new or your past or your current relationship. You will receive something na valuable, okay? It's either love, okay, affirmation, caring, alam mo yun, yung mga magagandang bagay, yung mga nakakapagpagaan sa buhay, okay? Kung hindi naman ganun, pwede din like symbol of love, like ring, necklace, okay? Kahit ano, meron ka matatanggap na parang yun yung symbolize na everything will fall into place, everything will be okay, everything will turns into a better, wonderful love situation, okay? So, You will receive what you deserve, Pisces, and you deserve better. Okay? You deserve all the happiness, all the abundance, all the kasiyahan sa buhay, lalo na sa pag-ibig, Pisces. Okay? Sisikat yung araw mo as long as you are like this child right here. Okay? Just, alam mo yun, yung parang, ay, hindi mo siya ini-stress. Hindi mo, kumbaga, again, you have to surrender everything to God and let Him do His work. Do the work. Okay? So, kung ano man yung, magiging situation, magiging maganda for sure, okay? Kasi meron tayo ditong Justice, Page of Pentacles, the Sun, and the Magician, okay? You are protected. You are divinely protected, Pisces, okay? So, kung ano man yung minamanifest mo, kung ano yung deserve mong pagmamahal, yun yung matatanggap mo, okay? Yun yung nararapat and ibibigay sa'yo sa Panginoon, ibibigay ng Panginoon para sa iyo at the right time, in God's perfect time. Okay? So, wag stressin yung sarili, wag hayaang madamay yung trabaho, kumbaga, yung pangaraw-araw mo, wag mo hayaang maapektuhan sa kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo, okay? Kasi ito lang naman yung dalawang medyo mabigat pero unang cards pa lang natin dito, everything will fall into a better, wonderful, loving relationship, Pisces, okay? And kumbaga, this reading right here is you have to surrender everything to God. Pray, okay? Pray na ikaw na po bahala kung sino man to or si ganito, ikaw po ang nakakaalam, ganito, ganyan, okay? And kung ano man yung darating, you deserve that kind of love, especially the better, wonderful, honest, pure love na darating for you, Pisces, okay? And you don't have to self-sabotage. You don't have to control things na hindi mo kontrolado. Okay? And you have to trust. Kung in a relationship ka man ngayon, you have to trust your loved one. You have to trust your partner, your husband, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your asawa. Okay? Kumbaga, mahalin mo siya and pagkatiwalaan mo siya. Gaya ng pagmamahal niya sa'yo and pagtitiwala niya sa'yo. Okay? So, ang bottom of the reading natin ngayon is don't be stressed. Okay? Mahalin mo yung taong mahal mo, pagkatiwalaan mo yung taong mahal mo, and at the same time, you have to surrender everything to God. And you put God in the center of your relationship, Pisces. Okay? And don't be like this. Okay? Kung gusto mo umiyak, iiyak mo, and then let God handle the situation. Okay? Kasi ibibigay niya yung taong deserve mo, yung pagmamahal na deserve mo, Pisces. Okay? Okay, so kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words gamit ang ating beautiful, sobrang gandang lamp jar natin dito na may form na heart. Okay? Kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words, kung sino-sino itong konektado sa reading natin ngayon. Matangos ang ilong. Okay, so pwede you're dealing with someone or ikaw, Pisces, na matangos ang ilong. Masipag. Okay, masipag sa trabaho. May dimple. Madaldal. Abroad. Car. Ooh. Maliit ang ilong. Okay, so merong matangos, maliit, mapagbigay, motor, car, motor, province, and mayaman. Ooh. So, pwedeng ito yung mga katangian ng taong dinidil mo. Letter K, Q, P, Z, and letter I. Meron pa dito, letter P, Q, Z, I, and K. Okay, so yun lang po, Pisces, ang ating reading sa araw na ito about love. Naway nagustuhan niyo po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and ang ating isang channel na Gel Tarot Guide po na makikita po sa description box below. Click niyo lang po yung link dyan sa baba. Okay po? And click the notification bell, Pisces, para ma-notify po kayo sa mga susunod na uploads natin. Okay? Thank you, Pisces, and God bless.